test drive the 2015 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability, comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.